Well, folks, it's Friday, end of the week, 5 p.m. We've had some numbers out of the US today. At last, the markets have become more volatile, just as I'd hoped, into the end of September. Volatility returning, volume returning. So we can really now take advantage of some good trading opportunities. And we had one in gold today after yesterday's surprise dump. Excuse me, still suffering from the remnants of that cold. We had our first resistance level at 1764, 1766. Today's high was 1765 and change. So that was absolutely beautiful. Hit the first resistance level. Markets tailed back off to our first support level, which we have the 61.8% on the longer term chart. Support level at 1742, 1740. Now that's just held above today's low, 1747. So didn't quite make it all the way down to the support level, but a really good run. A profit potential of up to 20 points on any shorts at that first resistance level in gold. So pretty pleased with that. We had our sell opportunity in the New Zealand dollar up at 70.80, 70.90 with a stop above 71.05. Perfect. The high of the day today, 70.86. So that really could not have been more accurate. Shorts doing really, really well. We've hit the target of 70.55 and we've even hit the target, the lower target of 70.30, 70.25. And again, that is the absolute low of the day. We've bounced off there. So I don't think those levels could have been more accurate. Literally picked the high and the low of the day for a very, very nice and simple, what is that? That's as much as 60 pips profit in that trade. 50, 60 pips. I'll take that on a Friday. Now, Euro Yen, however, was a little bit more frustrating. I had my resistance level for the Euro Yen down here at around 129.40, coupled with the 100 period moving, well, the 100 hour moving average. So I thought that would hold it. Now I had shorts stopping out above 60, and unfortunately we did run as far as 66, I think it was. Yeah, it's 129.66, bang on that 500 hour moving average. That turned out to be the big resistance level, not down here as I had suspected. So not so good. Now, if you're lucky and you had your stop wide enough, I did say stops above 60, so some of us may have been caught out with that one, but if you had it a little bit wider than 6 pips, then you got away with it, and of course the market then did tumble. But anyway, unfortunately I decided to choose that level instead of that level. That does happen. That was the only potential losing trade of the day. The CAD yen, we had our strong resistance level today up at 86.90, 87.10 actually, and that was the exact high again. In fact, it was right in the middle. 87.00 was the high, so that again, that really could not have been more accurate. And what a nice reaction for any short positions. The market absolutely collapsed. I'm just going to put some fib retracements on there. There we go. So there was my resistance level, just a little bit above the 50. But yeah, look at that. The market collapsed. We are down a good, where are we now? We've gone from 87.00 down to a low of 86.11. So a huge potential profit of 90 pips if you ran it that far. Although to be fair, I had my support level at 86.25, 86.15. So that is exactly on the support level. And we bounced off there. Anyone who's been trading that pair and has then decided to buy into a long position right at the low of the day, will be interesting to see if there's any profit in that, if we bounce significantly before the close tonight. Now, the other trade we had potential to do today was the Euro US dollar. We had the first resistance at 117.85, 117.95. Shorts needed a stop above 118.15. Well, we never got near 118.15. The high of the day was 117.88. So there was about 3 or 4 pips into that 117.85, 117.95 resistance band. Beautiful. We turned right around on the 50-hour moving average, coupled with the 23.6% resistance, fib resistance, and bang, the market's tumbled. So we're now down as low as 117.28, which means we are we're a good 60 pips off the high there. I have the strong support level down at 117.00, 116.80. So we're still 28 pips away from that from the low of the day, but I don't think anyone's going to complain on catching that very, very nice move today. So yeah, I make that, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners out of 6 if I count that correctly. And you may have even had a wider stop on that Euro Yen trade, which would have made it 6 out of 6. Well, I hope you've had a good week. as I say, I'm a little bit more excited now. We're starting to get some moves in the currency markets, which is throwing up real nice potential trades, as you saw today. And I'm certainly hoping that continues into the autumn months, and we can really take advantage of this situation, of these moves. We can get on the back of these and really see some nice 50, 60 pips profits in a day on each of these trades. Have a great weekend. I hope you've banked some nice profit, and go enjoy yourself in the sunshine, and we will chat again on Monday morning.